Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a sweet sticky gammon, and what the glaze is on it is maple syrup, brown sugar and mustard. It's going to absolutely be amazing, and everybody is going to want to try this gammon as soon as they come to your house at Christmas. Let's get into the video. So we've got this gammon from the local butchers and it comes in a vac pack bag. You can see the nice colour, a little bit of fat, and it's got a little bit of salt and a touch of water in it. It's best to get your meat from the butchers because it's a really good quality. It's also been put in a lovely netting as well. What we're going to do with this gammon is something different. We're not going to boil it, we're going to steam it in the air fryer. And you're thinking, how are we going to do that? How are we going to steam it in the air fryer? Well, I'm going to tell you in this video how to steam your gammon in the air fryer. You're going to be shocked, but I'm going to tell you. So the timings are on it, every 500 grams of gammon, you have to steam it for 20 minutes and boil it if you were going to boil it. But we're going to steam it in the air fryer. So we've got our tray that we're going to steam the gammon in, and we've just put some water in there. You can put cold or you can put warm, it is completely up to you. And then what we're going to do is keep the gammon in the vac pack bag so it keeps moist. And we're going to place the gammon in the tray. And then we're going to put it in the air fryer and set it to steam. So you're going to know when the gammon's ready and cooked because you'll be able to slide a knife in easily and it'll be nice and tender. Or you can use a probe to test as well. So what we're going to do is we put it in the air fryer and we're going to set it onto steam now. So we've set it onto steam and it'll go on for 10 minutes and then we just redo it again for another 10 minutes and just check the water. So the next stage was I took it out of the air fryer and I undid the bag and I poured the juices out, which I'm going to use in the gravy. Then I'm going to take the netting off so I can score it and add the sugar, maple syrup and mustard, the glaze. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm going to trim the extra fat off as well, just so you can score it properly. Now I'm going to score it. Just try and get in deep because you want the glaze to go in deep as well. So you can see there's some deep marks. Score it nicely so that that maple syrup glaze gets right in there in the mustard. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. 1, 2, 3. 2 of Dijon mustard. 2 brown sugar, 1 melted butter, 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix. As you can see, it's all coming together nicely. This will be a lovely glaze. You see it? There we are, beautiful. So top tip is put your gammon in some tin foil and just wrap it round so it doesn't burn your tray, because all that sugar, sweetness and mustard may glaze or burn your tray. So that's just a top tip. So we're going to baste a little bit on and just let it get in the nooks and crannies. As you can see, I'm just going to put a bit on and then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of brushing. Let it rest for a bit and then we're going to put a little bit more on. So we're just going to baste it on. Now give it a little light brush just so that it gets in there. Leave it a couple of minutes and then we're going to put the rest of it on. So we're going to put it in for 20 to 30 minutes on 200 on air fry. It looks amazing. And then we're going to keep basting it with the honey, mustard and maple syrup glaze. So I've taken it out of the oven and I've let it rest for 15 minutes and this is the gammon. So it's got mustard, brown sugar and it's got some maple syrup glaze. It's absolutely beautiful and it's going to taste amazing. So I'm going to carve it. So it's just carving beautiful. Still warm. Just carve it thin and it looks beautiful. This is the final gammon. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, comment what you want me to cook in future videos. And I appreciate everybody who's been watching my videos. Thanks a lot. Take care.